Hi guys, let me show you how to change the URL inside your system account. So here you can see the URL path. Let me show you how to change this, and let me help you understand why you get some errors here sometimes if you're trying to change the URL. Okay, so right now guys, I'm inside here, sites, I'm under sales funnels right here. If I go to create here, I'll create a brand new sales funnel here. Just for you guys. And here, obviously, you have to choose your domain name here, whatever it might be. I'll go for my standard system.io URL there, just for the purpose of this example, okay? So here you see demo testing URL. And when I go inside here, if I go and choose template, here you see this is my URL for this, sales funnel. Now, here's what happens. If I go here like this, do this, okay, and add in the text here, you'll see it comes up with saying this value is not valid, okay, which isn't very helpful, right? Now, the point of this is that this is known as the SLUG, okay, and this is your root domain, okay. Now, this here has to be connected together. Here you can see the spaces here. See the spaces? Right, there's a space. Here's a space. If I close these with a dash, suddenly this becomes a valid URL. Okay, oops, this one here. There we go. Okay. Here you can see now it gets a green tick. And now I can copy this. I can copy the link here and head over to a new tab here and paste it in here, and hey presto, off I go. And I can now see this page. Okay, so you can see here, see it? It's there. Okay. Because this here operates just like any other URL. So the important thing here is, guys, to remember that this here is added to every page inside this particular funnel. So if I go and choose different template here, you can see here, there's there. The only difference is the slug has changed. So this might be thank you. Again, now I'm going to get an error. See that? Error. Why isn't it working? I have to connect them. See here? Either I have to have them like this, okay, or I add a little dash, right? If I add a /, right, that works as well, but that's not very advisable. So I would say dash here instead, okay, like so, okay. Now, let's say for argument's sake, if you have this here as is now, and let's say you accidentally go like this and go, and if oh no, I broke it, right? Because you forgot what the old thank you one was. All you do is simply type in thank you, and that same URL will be restored. Okay, it's totally fine. Now, one key point here is, if you change your URL path, you have to go and change any emails, any links on your blog posts, any links on your YouTube videos. Basically, anywhere where you have shared this URL path, you have to go and update them. Okay, so if I go back here to my squeeze page here, let's say the squeeze page here was called welcome. Okay, and let's say if I copy this link here, and let's say I shared this on a social media post. And then a week later, I come here and go, you know what? I'm gonna call this 0, 1, 2, 3, right? And I change it. I then have to go and update this link here, copy that, and go and update it on my Facebook post, my blog post, wherever I'm linking to it. I have to go and update that. Otherwise, this will be a broken URL. Okay? Because right now, if I try and go here right now to this page, like so, but if I remove the 0, 1, 2, 3 and just try and go to the welcome, it'll come back with a broken page. Okay, so it's very important to understand that you have to keep those updated. So that's why typically once you've set a URL path, don't change it, because then if you have any links going anywhere, especially in your emails and so on, then they will be broken. Okay, and of course here under the URL path here, if I go here to funnel settings and I change this here to my domain name, when I click on save, all these will change. The slug stays the same. See that? This here stays the same, but the root domain has changed. So here, thank you, still called thank you, but this here has changed. Okay, just so you're aware of that. Okay, and at any point you can go back here again and change anything you want. But keep in mind, if you change it, you will break things if you have stuff linked to these pages before. Okay. That's why it's advisable to make sure you stay organized with your URLs. Otherwise, you could be in trouble. Okay. Now, to access the information here about how to add one of these custom domains, all you do is head over here to the settings here, go to settings, head over here down here to where are we here? Custom domains, and you can add your custom domain here by following instructions on this screen here. But that's a whole different video I can record for you later. Okay.